The Samsung Galaxy A58 5G is shaping up to be a compelling mid-range contender that brings premium-inspired specs to broader audiences. At its heart is a 144Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display, delivering vivid colors, deep contrast, and ultra-smooth responsiveness that make gaming, streaming, and everyday use feel fluid and immersive, a standout feature in its class. Under the hood, the Galaxy A58 5G is expected to run on a powerful and efficient chipset, likely a Snapdragon 7 series or equivalent, paired with ample RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and strong performance for everyday tasks and mobile gaming. Camera performance is boosted by a 300MP main sensor, offering incredibly detailed photos with rich clarity and dynamic range across varied lighting conditions, a spec usually reserved for higher-end phones. To keep up with all this performance, the device includes a massive 9,000 mAh battery, engineered to last well beyond a full day of heavy usage, and paired with 120W fast charging support so you can quickly recharge and stay productive on the go. With its blend of an ultra-smooth display, high-resolution camera, robust performance, and extraordinary battery endurance, the Samsung Galaxy A58 5G aims to deliver flagship-inspired experiences in a more accessible package.